Welcome to Schloss Ortenberg, located in the Ortenau region of southwest Germany. Situated in the Kinzig Valley between Offenburg and Gengenbach, this castle overlooks the vineyards and hills of the Black Forest. Built in the 11th century by the Zeringen family, it served as a fortress and administrative center. Today, Schloss Ortenberg is a youth hostel and event venue, offering stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Join us as we explore its history and beauty in the heart of Baden-Württemberg. Schloss Ortenberg's history began in the 11th century, when the Zeringen family constructed it as a fortress in the Kinzig Valley. Designed to protect the region and control trade routes along the Kinzig River, the castle quickly became a vital stronghold in southwest Germany. By the 12th century, it served as an administrative center under the Hohenstaufen dynasty, housing regional governors and overseeing local justice. In 1678, the castle was heavily damaged during the Franco-Dutch War, leaving only parts of its original structure intact. Reconstruction in the 19th century restored its medieval towers, including the Jakobsturm and Schimmelturm, which still stand today. Over the centuries, Schloss Ortenberg evolved from a military outpost to a symbol of regional power, reflecting the turbulent history of the Ortenau region. Its enduring presence offers a glimpse into Germany's medieval past. During the Middle Ages, Schloss Ortenberg was a key defensive point, guarding against invasions from neighboring territories. Its strategic location made it a hub for local trade, connecting merchants from the Rhine Valley to the Black Forest. The castle's robust walls and towers, built with local stone, showcased advanced medieval engineering. It also served as a residence for regional nobility, hosting courtly events that shaped Ortenau's cultural identity. In the 18th century, the castle briefly functioned as a military garrison before its restoration. Today, its preserved structure reflects centuries of resilience, standing as a testament to the region's historical significance. The Kinzig Valley, home to Schloss Ortenberg, is defined by its vineyards and proximity to the Black Forest. The castle sits on a hill, offering views of the region's rolling hills and fertile lands. The Ortenau region is known for its wine production, with the castle overlooking vineyards that produce renowned Pinot Noir and Riesling. The surrounding geology, shaped by granite deposits, contributes to the unique character of the local wines. The Black Forest, just east of the castle, features dense woodlands and hiking trails, attracting visitors year-round. The Kinzig River, flowing through the valley, supports local agriculture, including orchards that yield cherries and plums. Schloss Ortenberg's elevated position provides panoramic vistas, making it a focal point for exploring the region's natural beauty. The area's mild climate and fertile soil create ideal conditions for viticulture, cementing Ortenau's reputation as a wine-growing hub. This landscape, blending history and nature, draws travelers to experience its scenic charm and cultural heritage. Every old castle has its ghost story, and Schloss Ortenberg is no exception. Locals are convinced of the truth behind the tale of the Schwarze Frau, a ghostly figure in black said to haunt the castle. At night, when the halls are empty, residents claim to hear piano notes drifting from the youth hostel's music room, played by unseen hands. Though her identity remains unknown, the Schwarze Frau adds a layer of mystery to Schloss Ortenberg, captivating those who visit. Some believe this tale may echo the tragic fates of women accused during the witch hunts of the 16th and 17th centuries. During the 16th and 17th centuries, witch hunts swept through southern Germany, including the Ortenau region. Thousands of women were accused of witchcraft, often tried in local strongholds. As an administrative center, Schloss Ortenberg likely served as a site for such trials, though specific records are scarce. Courts in nearby towns prosecuted alleged witches, with executions peaking during the Counter-Reformation. These events, driven by fear and religious zeal, left a dark mark on the region, shaping local folklore. Today, Schloss Ortenberg is more than a historic site. It houses a youth hostel, welcoming travelers from around the world. The castle also serves as a venue for weddings and cultural events, with its courtyard and towers providing a unique backdrop. Visitors can explore the castle grounds, enjoy guided tours, or take in the panoramic views of the Kinzig Valley. Its accessibility and historical charm make it a popular destination in the Ortenau region. The youth hostel, located within the castle's restored walls, offers affordable stays for backpackers and families, with modern amenities blending seamlessly with medieval architecture. Cultural events, such as music festivals and historical reenactments, draw locals and tourists alike, celebrating the region's heritage. The castle's gardens, including a historic rose garden, provide a peaceful retreat for visitors. Its proximity to hiking trails and nearby towns like Gengenbach makes it a hub for exploring the Black Forest. Schloss Ortenberg's vibrant role ensures it remains a living landmark, connecting past and present for all who visit. Schloss Ortenberg, perched in the Kinzig Valley, embodies a rich tapestry of history and natural beauty. From its 11th century origins as a Zähringen fortress to its role under the Hohenstaufen dynasty, the castle has witnessed centuries of regional power and turmoil, including the dark era of witch hunts. Its vineyards and Black Forest backdrop define the Ortenau region, known for Pinot Noir and Riesling. Today, it thrives as a youth hostel and event venue, drawing travelers with its historic charm and panoramic views. Local legends, like the Schwarze Frau who plays piano at night, add a layer of mystery. This castle is just the start of our journey through Germany's historic landmarks. Join us as we explore more castles, each revealing stories of the past and their enduring legacy. Subscribe to discover the next chapter in this captivating series.